Hello everyone, welcome back to Ron Rocks, the channel where we explore the amazing world of activities. Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite things to do, a painting. This one is a watercolor painting. This video is just about 5 minutes long, but it actually took me almost 2 hours to finish this painting. But actually, when you enjoy what you're doing, time just flies by. I am still a curious student of art, learning, experimenting, and having fun along the way. When I first started using watercolors, it was not easy at all. In fact, I made a lot of mistakes. Sometimes I added too much water and the paper got all soggy and wrinkled. Sometimes the colors mixed in weird ways and made a total mess. But that's okay because every mistake teaches you something new. I learned how to control the brush better, how to wait for the paper to dry, and how to blend colors gently. Each painting helps me get a little better. That's the fun part of art. You never stop learning. Watercolor painting is like a journey. You might not always know how it's going to turn out, but if you enjoy the process, it always feels worth it at the end. For me, art isn't just about making something perfect, it's about the feeling, the joy you get when you see the colors come alive on the paper. Every painting has something to say. If you love doing something, keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. I really hope my painting brings a little bit of happiness to someone watching this. Thank you for joining me today. I will be back with another art adventure soon. Thank you. Bye.